Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Finally got the mirrors in for the new Ninja 400 and about to throw these on and see how they look. Super excited. These are a little way too big and kind of look like antennas, so about to throw these stealth ones on and hopefully it looks a lot better. And yeah, this is how it looks right now. And about to take these 4 bolts off and throw these on, and I'll try to film as much as I can from it. And yeah, stay tuned. There you go, we got both sides off, and wow, it looks so odd with no mirrors, right? It looks like it's tucking in or something. Pretty cool. Need to fix that one and we'll be good to go. I need to point it up a little. Wait. This is the finished product, guys. I straightened them and I think they look amazing. Looks like a brand new bike. I actually can't like it. It's taking me a second to. It genuinely looks like a different bike. Super nice.